Hello children, continuing with GST. Today in the last class we did two questions, number 1 and 2. So to give you a better idea, let's do question number 3. Now you see the question in the book, question number 3, exercise 1. It says a manufacturer sells a washing machine to a wholesaler for rupees 15,000. Okay, so here manufacturer, for manufacturer, okay, sale price is equal to, he sells washing machine to wholesaler at rupees 15,000. Okay, so now here it says the rate of GST is 12%. Okay, so and the sales are intrastate. Now since sales are intrastate, okay, CGST equal to 6% and SGST equal to 6%, because GST is equal to 12% given. Okay, so GST is 12%, so CGST is 6% and SGST will be 6%. Now the question is the amount of tax received by state government, so total SGST you have to find, and number 2, amount of tax received by central government, so CGST you have to find total, and the amount that the consumer pays for the machine, so consumer, the final price we have to find. Now, so here, therefore, CGST is equal to 6% of rupees 15,000. Okay, you know how to find 6% of 15,000, that is 6 by 100 into 15,000. So I will do directly 0.06 into 15,000. So that is 900. So rupees 900, and SGST is also 6% of rupees 15,000 because it's equal, so rupees 900. Okay, so manufacturer. So this is the tax paid by manufacturer. Okay, now next, now it says the manufacturer sells it to the wholesaler. So for wholesaler, okay, for wholesaler, the wholesaler sells it to trader at a profit of 1200. So he makes a profit. Profit is equal to rupees 1200. That means he has already paid tax for tax on 15,000. Okay, while purchasing. So since he is increasing the value by 1200, so he will pay tax on this one. So therefore CGST, okay, because you will pay tax on the amount increased by him. So CGST is 6% of 1200, and SGST is also 6% of 1200. So 6% of 1200 will be 0.06 into 1200. So that will give you 72. So rupees 72, rupees 72. Okay, so wholesaler. Now next, now question says manufacturer to wholesaler. So wholesaler sells it to trader at a profit 1200, and the trader sells it to consumer at a profit of 1800. So for trader profit is, he makes a profit of 1800 rupees, 1800. So therefore you will pay tax on this one because he has already paid tax on 15,000 and profit paid by wholesaler. So 15,972 is already paid. Now whatever his value he has added, that you will collect the tax. That is, so if profit is given, you can directly find GST. If profit is not given, you have purchase price and selling price. In that case, you have to find input and output. Remember that one. So CGST is equal to 6% of rupees 1800, and SGST is also 6% of rupees 1800. So 6% of 1800, so 0.06 into 1800, that will give you 108. So rupees 108. So rupees 108. Okay, so now the question is, because now a trader will sell it to consumer. Okay, so trader will sell it to consumer. Now the first answer. So it says amount of tax received by state government. So total SGST received. Okay, so here SGST is 900 rupees, 900 plus, because this is paid by manufacturer, wholesaler pays rupees 72 plus trader pays rupees 108. So rupees. So this is what the total SGST received. So we have 108 plus 972. 972. So that is 1080. So rupees 1080. So number 2, total CGST. Okay, CGST received is equal to the same thing, rupees 1080, because remember SGST and CGST always same if it is intra-state. If it is intra-state and interstate, then it will change. So number 2. So number 3, amount paid by consumer. So let's find the final price now. So final sale price equal to, the price was 15,000. So 15,000 it was, plus now wholesaler added 1200 plus trader added 1800, the profit. So total selling price will be, so it will be 15,000 plus 1200 plus 1800. So it is 18,000. So rupees 18,000. Okay. So then total tax. Now therefore final price for consumer. That means final price paid by consumer. You will pay rupees 18,000, which is the price, plus you will pay the tax 108 plus 108, because you will have to pay both. Not 108. This is 1080. 1080 and 1080, because this is what total received by central and state governments. So that will be then 18,000 plus 1080 plus 1080. So that is rupees 20,000, rupees 20,160. So this is what the consumer will pay, the final price. So remember, there are two ways of calculating CGST and SGST. One is, if you are given purchase price and sale price, in that case you have to find input tax, output tax and minus it, and then you'll get CGST and SGST. Now if you are given the profit, then directly you can find CGST and SGST paid. Okay, so remember that one. Now the next question. So the next question is, let's take question number 5. 4 you try. Question number 5. The printed price of an article is 50,000. So printed price equal to rupees 50,000. Okay, then wholesale or the discount, okay, that is okay. Now GST is equal to 18%. Okay, now sales are intra-state. Since sales are intra-state CGST equal to 9% and SGST is also 9%. Okay. Now here the printed price of an article is 50,000. The wholesaler allows a discount of 10% to shopkeeper. The shopkeeper sells the article to a consumer at 4% above the mark price. If the sales are intra-state and the rate of GST is 18%, find the amount inclusive of tax which the shopkeeper pays to question number, okay, just wait. Okay, that we'll see. Then question number 2 is the amount paid by the consumer for the article. So what is the final price? And question number 3 is amount of tax paid by shopkeeper to the central government. So CGST paid by shopkeeper. So the amount of tax received by state government, that is SGST paid. Okay, so these are the questions. So let me check the question once again. Okay. Now, so here, okay, here wholesaler allows a discount to shopkeeper. So only shopkeeper here it says how much tax is paid by shopkeeper. So we'll start with shopkeeper. So for shopkeeper. Okay, here property is not given, so here sale price and your purchase price there. So we'll calculate input and output tax. So for shopkeeper, okay, purchase price is equal to, now you see at what price he purchased. The wholesaler allows a discount of 10% to the shopkeeper, so he got a discount of 10% on mark price. Okay, so that means 10% less. So rupees 50,000 minus 10% of rupees 50,000. Okay, so that will give you 50,000 minus will be 5,000, because 10% of 50,000 is 5,000. So that will give you, it is 45,000. So your shopkeeper, for shopkeeper purchase price is 45,000. So now you find input tax. So therefore input CGST equal to 9% of 45,000. Okay, so 9% of 45,000, 0.09 into 45,000. So that will give you 4050, rupees 4050. So input SGST is also 9% of 45,000 only, and that is same as 4050. Okay, so this is done. Now sell price, at what price is sold? Sell price. Now see at what price is sold. Read the question carefully. Now it says the shopkeeper sells the article to consumer at 4% above the mark price. 4% above the mark price. So sale price is 50,000 plus 4% of rupees 50,000. Okay, so that is rupees 50,000 plus 4% of 50,000 will be 2,000. Okay, so 0.04 into 50,000 is equal to 0.02 4%, 0.04 into 50,000 is equal to 2,000. Okay, so that is rupees 52,000. Okay, at this price he sells. So therefore CGST output, that is, therefore output, because on purchase price is input, on selling price it is output. So it is 9% of rupees 52,000. So 9% of 52,000 will be 0.09 into 52,000. So that will give you 4680. So rupees 4680. So output ICSE is also 9% of rupees 52,000. That is same as 4680. Okay. So this is done now. Now after finding output, now you look at the question. So question number 1. It says the amount inclusive of tax under GST which the shopkeeper pays. Okay, so how much shopkeeper pays including tax? So amount paid by shopkeeper including tax equal to. So here purchase price is 45,000. So rupees 45,000 at this price he purchased, plus he paid tax also. So 4050 plus 4050. So that will be how much? 40. So for the 8,000, 8,100. So 45,000 plus 8,000 will be 53,100. So rupees 53,100. So this is the price he paid including tax. So question number 2. Now question number 2, part 2. Let's see. It says the amount paid by consumer. Okay, for the article, amount paid by consumer. So amount paid by consumer. So consumer will pay the final price. So sale price was 52,000. So you will pay 52,000. Okay, plus you will pay tax. So 4680 plus 4680. Okay, so rupees. So you calculate 4680 into 2 because it's double, plus 52,000. 52,000. So this is 61,360. So 61,360. So this is the price paid by the consumer. So number 3. Now it says number 3, the amount of tax paid by shopkeeper to central government. So CGST paid by shopkeeper is equal to output minus input. So output is output CGST is rupees 4680 minus input is 4050. So rupees 0, 8 minus 5 is 3, so 46. So 630 rupees. Okay. So that is CGST. So number 4 question says the amount of tax received by state government. Okay, so SGST received by government or received. SGST means this GST received by state government. So state government will receive how much? Okay, so this output is GST. That means rupees 4680. Okay, so this is what state government will receive. Okay, because here shopkeeper will pay only 630 because the rest is he already paid to manufacturer, and manufacturer will pay to the government. Okay, so eventually central government and state government both will receive 4680, which is paid by the consumer. Okay, now the next question. Now let's see another question. Okay, let's see question number 7 now. 7. A shopkeeper buys an article from manufacturer for rupees 12,000 and marks up its price by 25%, means increases price by 25%. Then the shopkeeper gives a discount of 10% on the marked up price, and he gives further off-season discount of 5% on the balance to the customer of TV. Okay, so if the sales are intra-state and the rate of GST is 12%, find number 1 the price inclusive of tax which the consumer pays for the TV, number 2 the amount of tax paid by shopkeeper, and number 3 shopkeeper to the state government. Okay, so next is the amount of tax received by central government, so CGST. So here now only shopkeeper. Okay, so for shopkeeper, okay, shopkeeper buys an article from manufacturer for rupees 12,000. So purchase price equal to rupees 12,000. Okay, at this price he purchases. Okay, so then he will pay tax on this one. Okay, so here GST rate of GST is 12%. So therefore since sales are intra-state, CGST equal to 6% and SGST is also 6%. Okay, so therefore input CGST equal to 6% of rupees 12,000. Okay, that is 720 it comes. Okay, so that is 6% of 12,000. Okay, 7. So input SGST is also 6% of rupees 12,000, that is rupees 720. Okay, input tax done. Now you have to read question carefully. It says the shopkeeper and marks up its price by 25%. So therefore mark price is equal to 12,000 rupees plus 25% of rupees 12,000, because 25% he increases. Now 25% is 1/4. 1/4 of 12,000 is 3,000. So 12,000, 3,000, it will be rupees 15,000. Okay, so now he marks the price at 15,000. He purchased for 12,000. Now he has marked the price. Okay, he's put a tag of 15,000. So after doing that, what he does? Then he gives a discount of 10%. Okay, so sale price after discount of 10% is equal to, so rupees 15,000 minus 10% of rupees 15,000, because 10% he gives discount. Okay, is equal to, so 10% of 15,000 will be 1,500. So if you minus 1,500 from 15,000, you get 13,500. Okay, so 14,000, 15,000. So because 10% of 15,000 is 1,500. Okay, so now price is 13,500. Now what it does, on the marked price, okay, marked up price, and he gives further off-season discount of 5%. Okay, so sale price after off-season discount of 5% is equal to, so 13,500 minus 5% of 13,500, because he gives 5% discount further. So you get 0.05 into 13,500. So discount is 675. So 13,500 minus 675 equal to, so minus 13,500. That'll give you 12,825. So 12,825 rupees. So this is the final selling price. On this you will now calculate tax. Okay. So now, therefore, output tax. Remember, he increased the price to 15,000. He sold it for 12,850. After giving double discount also, he's making some profit because 12,000 he purchased the article for. He gave he increased by 25%, made it 50,000. He gave 10% discount. Then he gave further 5% discount. So now price is 12,825. Still, that is more than his purchase price. So he still makes profit. So output CGST equal to, it is 6% of rupees 12,825 equal to, so 12,825 into 0.06, that will give you 769.50 rupees, 769.50. So output is GST is also 6% of rupees 12,825, that is rupees 769.50. Okay, this is done. Now after doing this, now you have to see the question. So number 1, it says the amount inclusive tax which the wholesaler pays. So amount paid by wholesaler including tax. So shopkeeper purchase price for 12,000, so 12,000. Okay, amount paid by wholesaler inclusive tax which the wholesaler pays for the so here, and manufacturer the inclusive tax which the consumer pays. No, first one. Okay, question number 7, not wholesaler. It says the price inclusive tax which the consumer pays. So amount paid by consumer. This is consumer. You know, consumer pay the final sale price. So final sale price is 12,825 plus you will pay tax on that one. So 769.50 plus 769.50. So 769.50 into 2 double, then we have 12,825. 12,825. That will give you 14,364. So rupees 14,364. So this is what the consumer will pay. So number 2. Now question number 2, it says the amount of tax paid by shopkeeper to state government. So SGST paid by shopkeeper. This is output minus input. So output is rupees 769.50 minus 720. 720 is input. Okay. So 0.50 will come as it is. 9 comes here. So 6 minus 2. So 49.50. So this is what. Okay. So here 50 comes. So 9 minus 0 9. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 49.50. Okay, so then 69, so 49.20, 50, so 964. Okay. Now number 3. Okay, number 2, 49.50. Then next question is the amount of tax received by central government. So CGST received. CGST received is how much? CGST received is rupees 769.50, because this final output is what the government will receive. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so you will try some more questions and we'll continue in the next class, the remaining questions.